Disability. The word says it all. For the past 17 years, I've been defined by what I can't do instead of what I can. I'm Walter Lowry, and I'm a quadriplegic and an advisor on this project. And I'm so excited about it because for the first time, I'll be able to be defined by what I can do instead of what I can't.
Hello, we are members of Vanderbilt University's team Closing the Gap. We are Chad Auguste, Brian Axelrod, Allison Bull, Kim Ingram, and Joseph Morris.
As we just heard from Walter, people with disabilities face barriers entering the workplace because of the employer's inability to understand a potential employee's abilities without prejudice.
We wanted to combat this problem and design an engineering solution to help people with disabilities enter or advance in the workplace.
To do this, we partnered with the Rochelle Center, a niche-affiliated nonprofit agency in Nashville, Tennessee.
The Rochelle Center employs individuals with disabilities, henceforth referred to as clients.
Currently, we have about 86 individuals in our work production center. We also have individuals that will go out into the community to work at jobs on site.
Our team engineered a three-pronged system to improve current policies and procedures at the Rochelle Center. We created a software suite containing a skills assessment and a behavioral analysis tool. In addition, we redesigned the floor plan of the Rochelle Production Center.
Let's take a closer look at the skills assessment. The skills assessment is intended to evaluate current Rochelle Center clients, as well as incoming potential employees in order to match them with the jobs they are best suited for, both at the Rochelle Center and in the community. It evaluates clients on their communication skills, physical abilities, cognition, and vision, and the tests are designed to be equitable in use, flexible, and present information in a perceptible manner. The evaluation is thoroughly described in the Skills Assessment Manual, or SAM. It contains the objective, administrative instructions, proper interpretation of results, and potential job applications for each test. Everything needed to complete the evaluation is contained in the Skills Assessment Kit, or SAK.
As the client is being evaluated, the administrator fills out the Skills Assessment Rubric, or STAR. If the individual accurately completes a task, a 1 is entered. If not, a 0 is entered. After all data is entered, the job that matches the client's abilities is highlighted. This process is repeated 5 times over the course of 2 weeks, with at least 2 sessions occurring in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, to ensure the results reflect the client's full potential. The environmental accommodation section is not filled out until 6 months after placement. It is used to reassess job placement. This rubric also works in reverse and allows the user to enter the skills required for a new contract or community placement, and then the program returns the name of the clients eligible for this job.
The behavioral analysis tool is a program that documents a client's repeated behaviors throughout the month. The supervisor manually records the behaviors that occur throughout the day and then enters the behavior code and time duration into the simple and intuitive program. The program calculates several statistics, including the number of productive work hours lost, the average duration of behavior, the number of behaviors per month, and the number of AM and PM occurrences. These statistics help to show trends and can be useful to the government, caretakers, or physicians.
As you can see, the Rochelle Center's floor plan can be improved to optimize safety and efficiency. Currently, the pallets are distributed throughout the space, and the forklift must weave through areas of high client traffic. The new floor plan isolates the pallets near the loading dock, which reduces the intersection of client and forklift traffic. Additionally, a large amount of space has been opened up to obtain new contracts and increase employment.
My name is Joe Smith, and I'm the Community Employment Coordinator here at the Rochelle Center. The skills assessment will be especially useful in the work that we look at for bringing into the production center. The skills assessment, completing it across all the individuals that we provide services to, will give us an understanding of our workforce and help us identify target specific contracts to come in. It will actually increase the earning power of individuals currently employed. It will also help us identify good work opportunities for the individuals we support to work in the community. We can look at and estimate the more abstract skills that an individual brings to the table, but looking at the straight objective skills that an individual has gives us really objective data on how to understand the individual and then to identify where in the community those skills are most needed. In fully utilizing the tool, especially in terms of community employment, this will give us a better understanding of the individual, get the individual employed in the community, earning minimum wage or greater at a faster pace. We'll probably start using the tool quickly on new individuals coming into service.
Along with the Rochelle Center, Vanderbilt's Kennedy Center has expressed interest in utilizing our skills assessment. We intend to make the skills assessment a universal evaluation
that will be used to determine an individual's skill assessment level, or SAP, which will allow any employer to accurately understand the abilities of a potential employee before they have even met.
I see this as having a huge impact in my lifetime. I envision answering an ad in the paper, showing up at the interview, taking this skills assessment test, and it telling the interviewer if I'm physically capable and mentally capable of doing this job. I think that if you remove that doubt from the employer, then you'll see employment in the disabled community go up. All employers given this test will really help the term equal opportunity employer become a reality.
We would like to thank our advisors for this project, Walter Lowry and Dr. Matthew Walker III.
We would also like to thank everyone at the Rochelle Center, especially Joe Smith, Scott Deal, and clients who graciously assisted us in making this video.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for your time.
Go Doors!